From 1977, it's Dreams, Fleetwood Mac. A More Music Bobathon. It's 105.5 and 100.7.
Yeek!
What was that?
Okay, Garmin, save video. What the fuck are you doing, dude?
Oh shit, what the hell? Seriously. 6JZB904. Fuck.
Stewart has issues. I believe if you look back in history with Stewart Haas, they had some very hot streaks, right? Everybody was winning on the team, and then they would get caught doing something, and then they wouldn't win for a long time. I believe there was something with the rear window or the roof, and I think there was something with the inner fender.
Playing the game, watching YouTube, eat that salad.
What the fuck?
Tried to run a red light. Everybody honking at him. Like, just stay there. Don't be backing up now.
Don't go, dude. Like, go across now.
Yeah, go. He's backing up.
I know. I'm being a moron.
Just fucking...
Now he's in their way. Like,
Yeah.
dude, just go. Go. Go that way, dude. Fuck.
Fuck.
Is the car broken or what? Jesus Christ.
Stuck in reverse?
Hey, look at this shit. He's literally in the middle of the fucking road, blocking traffic. He won't back up. Or he won't go forward, I should say.
Yeah. Should just go forward.
He's too scared. Look at this shit. He would be driving a Chevy.
Yeah. I mean, it's our turn now.
Idiot.
Fucking idiot.
จอดเอาเนี่ยเหรอแต่อย่าไปขี่ใกล้มาก รถมันหนาแน่น
เขาเอาผู้ช่ำชองเส้นทางเหล็กช็อตไดรฟ์บอกเลย กลางคืนนี่ไม่มีใครแซงได้กับคน
ว้าวแดง
คันนั้นชนไปแล้ว
ชนแล้วสิแล้วเต้งก็ไปสิเต้งอย่าชะลอดิเต้งไป
เอาแล้วนั่นมันไปไหน
Husband, what she chooses.
Going original. How much practice the drum major will bench me?
Crack. And do Craig saw your IDDM kid so he can go.
The
and
fuck?
His dad is out here. He's asking for it. Guard him, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just sound and
God
call
damn it.
surgeon to come take a look.
Have him follow up tomorrow. What's done now? Right here. All right, take your time with the discharge instructions.
Always do.
Okay, I'm out. I'm headed down out of her school. God damn, fucking kid almost ran right in front of me, man. Never even, I was watching him, he never even looked this way and he went to go step out, man. Good thing I was watching him.